Hey guys, in this video I'll tell you how to remove background from video by using AI. You can use this AI for free by clicking the link in the description. After clicking the link in description, this page will be opened. Then you need to sign up here. Click on sign up. After signing up, click on remove background now and upload file here. I'll select the video. I'll click on this video. And you can see my file is uploading here. Okay, so the background has been removed. I can add gradient and texture from here. I can also add images, like I'll add this image, and now I'll play the video. I'll change the image. This is how you can change background from a video by using AI. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.